Okay, so I did number 5 on My Math Lab, Chapter 2, Section 2, and the problem states, in one place, the average minimum balance required for non-interest-bearing accounts decreased approximately linear from $440 in 2001 to $238.11 in 2006. Let A be the average minimum balance in dollars for non-interest-bearing checking at T years since 2000. Find an equation of a linear model to describe the data. So in order to find the equation for this problem, we have to first find the slope. In order to find the slope, we need two ordered pairs. So since t is the independent value, we let that be x, and since a is the dependent value, we let that be y. So the two ordered pairs I got are 1, 440 and 6, 238.11. I get this 1 because I subtract 2001 from 2000, the t year since 2000. So that subtracted from this equals 1, and then the minimum balance in 2001 was 440. I do the same thing right here. I take 2006 and minus it from t year since 2000, so that equals 6, and the minimum balance in 2006 was 238.11. I take these two ordered pairs and I plug it into the equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so this is the y2, y1, x2, x1. 238.11 minus 440 divided by 6 minus 1. That gives me negative 201.9 over 5. So that divided gives me negative 40.38. That's my slope. And it's negative because in the problem it states it decreased. So there we go. And now we have to find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we need to take one of these points and take one of these points and the slope and plug it into y equals mx plus b. So I chose the point, the ordered pair 1, 440, and then there's our slope, negative 40.38. We take that and plug it into the formula. For y, we put 440 because it's y, equals our slope, negative 40.38 times x, which is 1, plus b. So we get 440 equals negative 40.38 because negative 40.38 times 1 equals just 40.38. So negative 40.38 plus b. We add 40.38 to both sides, which cancels this out. And here we get 480.38. We bring down the b, so b equals 480.38. So with our b and our slope up here, we can make an equation for the problem above. And our equation turns out to be a equals negative 40.38, which is our slope, t, plus 480.38, which is our b. And that's the equation for the problem above.